Making videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram has become incredibly simple, and in 2025, it's honestly one of the best passive income paths because AI can handle almost everything for you. There are channels right now using this exact approach, and they've grown to millions of subscribers in just a few months. And I know the problem most people run into. You upload a couple of videos, they don't get the views you expected, and suddenly your motivation disappears. That's the point where many creators get stuck. YouTube isn't a quick way to get rich. It takes patience, and you have to let the channel grow slowly, and slow growth only happens when you upload consistently. If those successful channels had stopped after their first 2 uploads, none of them would be where they are today. And for the people saying, "It's all luck," trust me, it isn't. It's consistency, testing, and showing up again and again. Another big challenge is that most of you don't have an editing background, and with work or studies there's barely time left. So today, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that solves every issue I just talked about and helps you begin your content creation journey without feeling overwhelmed. With this tool, you can create videos in almost any viral niche you want. Before that, let's quickly go over some niches that perform amazingly well. One of the biggest ones is motivational or story-based wisdom content. Channels like Living Wisdom and Wisdom and Folklore have dominated this space since 2023. This niche has a massive global audience and the views speak for themselves. Another powerful niche is horror storytelling. Look at channels like Mr. Nightmare. They've built around 6.8 million subscribers and billions of views. Here's a simple list of some of the best AI-friendly niches. All of these have viral potential, so pick one for your new channel. Now let's talk about the tool. It's called Video Talk. It's an all-in-one AI video maker designed to create viral content easily. You can sign up using the link in the description. Let's actually create a few videos from different niches to show you how it works. For the first example, I'll pick the sci-fi theories niche. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me some video ideas, and then we'll turn one of them into a complete video. As you can see, it generated several ideas. I'll copy the first one and build a video around it. Once you sign up on Video Talk, click Create New Video and choose the fully automated AI video option. Here, you can paste your script, upload a voiceover, or even let the AI generate the entire script for you. We'll start with a short-form video before making a long one. I'll paste the topic of our first short and continue. Next, select the aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts, and choose a duration under 60 seconds. This tool can make videos up to 10 minutes long, but for shorts, keep it under a minute. Since I'm not using a custom character for this one, I'll leave that option off. Now choose whether you want AI-generated images or AI-generated video clips. If you pick images, you can choose from multiple AI models. For this example, I'll stick with animated clips. Then pick the AI model you want the visuals to come from. You can even switch to stock footage if you're making motivational videos. Sometimes that looks better. But for this sci-fi example, I'll use the Kling 1.6 model. Next, choose your visual style, 3D, 2D, animated, realistic, etc. For this niche, a realistic style works best, so I'll select that. Then pick your language, choose a voice that suits the vibe of your video, and click Generate Video. You'll then see a script preview where you can adjust anything you want. After that, you'll see the visual prompts used for the video. You can edit those too. Then click Generate Video again, and in a few minutes your video will be ready. Before downloading it, you can fine-tune everything: subtitle style, subtitle colors, background music, volume, and even sound effects. You can also swap or regenerate any visual clip. In the Publish tab, select YouTube and the tool will automatically create a title, description, and tags for you. Just upload the video and copy that information. Now I have another script from ChatGPT, this time for a wisdom story niche. We'll create this one using a 2D cartoon style. Just like before, paste the script into a new project and set the aspect ratio to landscape. This story features a young man named Atlas, so we'll add him as a custom character. Turn on the custom character setting and click Character. Give him a name and description. If you don't have photos, you can generate them inside the tool. I'll describe him as a young man named Atlas wearing a hoodie and headphones, tattooed, around 20 years old. Generate the images. Choose the ones you like, download them, and upload them to create the character. Once done, he'll appear in your character list. Select him and continue with the same steps. Choose the voice, style, and generate the video. Video Talk can also create UGC-style ads using realistic AI avatars, which is perfect if you want to make TikTok-style product videos. It's a great option for creators who don't have hours to edit videos manually. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I wish you all the best on your content creation journey, and I'll see you in the next video.